time we can find a place to save a little bit of money, the better our lives are. So today I'm going to share with you 10 secret Amazon items that you can find so much cheaper at the Dollar Tree. Hi everybody, my name is Sarah. Thank you so much for watching today. I like the Dollar Tree. It's a little bit out of my way, so I don't get there nearly as often as I would like. However, when I do, I always seem to stock up. Now, when you stock up at the Dollar Tree, it doesn't necessarily mean you're spending hundreds of dollars like you would at Target. But even with the $1.25 increase that they have made happen, there are some things at the Dollar Tree that are still well worth purchasing there rather than purchasing on Amazon. Now, you won't get the convenience of door-to-door delivery like you do Amazon, but the cost that you save is just going to make your life easier, and it's worth the trip. Even for me, 20 minutes away, worth the trip to the Dollar Tree every once in a while. Now, the first few items that we're going to go through are things that I regularly purchase at the Dollar Tree anyway. And then the last part of the list are going to be my favorite things that I have found that I've wanted for a while and just happened to come across at Dollar Tree when I was there. Number one, a laundry bag. So I wanted one of these for camping. At $1.25, you can't really beat the price. They're a decent size and the same exact laundry bag, the same brand and everything, is $6.76 at Amazon. So what a savings. $1.25 compared to $6.76 for a laundry bag for the camper. It's a win. Number two, a watering can. Now I have 2 watering cans. I'm a huge plant person. You can tell, right? They're everywhere. I wanted a watering can, one for downstairs and one for upstairs. But when I looked for a watering can on Amazon, they wanted $12.99 for this exact watering can. At $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, it's well worth it. $12.99 compared to $1.25. This is a win too. These are a must in our house for any type of little project. We painted our kitchen cabinets years ago, and every once in a while, a little chip comes out and we need to just do a little touch up. At $1.25 for a whole package of these, it's quite the bargain. I found the same exact package on Amazon for $7.95. $7.95. This is a steal. This Pond's moisturizer is so silky smooth. At $1.25 from the Dollar Tree, it is much cheaper than Amazon. I like this in the wintertime. My hands get super dry and my cuticles too dry out with the furnace running. Amazon, this exact thing on Amazon, $7.99. $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Also for us when we go camping are these. These are to go in between your cast iron frying pans and your pots and pans. Now there's only 3 here and they're super thin, but they're totally going to do the job. Now I found on Amazon a pack of 6 for $11.95, which means this is $1.25 compared to $5.80 for the same amount that you would get on Amazon. Now they didn't have the exact product, but comparatively, $1.25 to $5.80 is a pretty good deal. We have a toaster oven that's a pretty good sized Cuisinart toaster oven. If you don't know the story about that, I found it brand new at a thrift store. I'll leave the link above if you want to watch my thrifting video. And I was looking for a pan that was a little bit bigger, because it's a big toaster oven, that we can cook things in when we don't want to run the entire oven. So I found this brownie pan, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. The same exact brownie pan, the same brand and everything on Amazon, $9.99. It's springtime cleaning in my house, which means I'm gonna need a good pair of cleaning gloves. This exact pair on Amazon comes in a pack of 2 for a strange price of $8.08. That means that one pair of gloves from Amazon, the exact brand, is gonna run you $4.04. Dollar Tree, $1.25. I get these often, by the way. These are fantastic gloves if you're looking for cleaning gloves. And if they rip, you chuck them or recycle them. Can you recycle these? Every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I always have my eye out for organics because sometimes you can find organic products at the Dollar Tree for a fraction of the cost in a Target or grocery store. This time, I found these. These are feminine hygiene products, overnights, with organic cotton. There are 6 of these in the package for $1.25. Now, I couldn't find the exact brand on Amazon, but I did find something comparable, and the same amount of products, 6 products in these 7th generation, would cost you $3.84. Now, this isn't a huge savings, but $1.25 to $3.84 is still a savings. And if you stock up on these to get a package of 24 or 28, then you're going to considerably save money on your monthly products. 2 of my favorites. I love these reusable bags. We use them for so much around our house. These are so cute with little watermelons on them, perfect for summer if you're heading to the beach or to the pool, amusement parks, or parks in general, to put snacks in. Because they're silicone, you could put all sorts of things in it. Wet things, dry things. Half of a sandwich will fit nicely in here if you have littles. For $1.25 for 2, the comparison on Amazon was astronomical. 2 small snack silicone bags from Amazon, $6.99. What a bargain. And how cute are these? And then my final, very favorite thing that I found at the Dollar Tree are something that I've been looking for there and wanting to purchase for quite a while. Stemless wine glasses. Honestly, you can use these for anything, right? Goblets for water if you want. If you're looking for a fancy water, you can put some cucumber in this and your bubbly water on top of it. $1.25 each. These are 20.5 ounces, so they're decent solid size. And I've been looking for them for years, so I got myself 6 of them. $1.25 a piece. The same exact glasses on Amazon, you're looking at $18.95 for 6 glasses. That's $3.16 a piece compared to $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I love these. I can't wait to use them. I'm going to use them for summertime, like I said, with sparkling water in them, for wine, for holidays. I'm getting rid of all of my stemmed wine glasses, and I actually think that I might go back and get a few more of these to add to my good dishes for holidays and parties. I spent $12.50 at the Dollar Tree. Now, if I were to add up everything that I had here, I would have spent over $80 from Amazon. $12.50, $80, it's super easy math. There are secret Amazon items hidden all over Dollar Tree. I highly recommend you check it out. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.